Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the NOBI Nutrition Magnesium Complex Premium, which supports muscle, bone, and nerve health and aids in enzyme function. And it had 60 caplets. The supplement amount is magnesium. It's 500 milligrams, which is 125 milligrams or 125 percentage of your daily value. This is a really important vitamin to get into your system. This one is in particular high potency, and it also helps with muscle relaxation and recovery. It helps with bone density and strength. It helps with your heart and blood sugar support. And if you aren't satisfied with the product, they will issue you a 100% refund. I was doing some reading about sleep and regulating your sleep, and I came across an article that mentioned that magnesium was something that a lot of people are missing in their diets, and it helps to regulate sleep, and it also helps to relax muscles. So I went out and I bought myself, I ordered myself a bottle of magnesium. I've been using it for a couple weeks now, and I haven't quite seen a difference just yet. It might need to build up a little bit more in the system, so maybe, another 2 weeks and I'll feel something. But let's see if I can open it plays a role in your sleep. It also plays a role in muscle relaxation and recovery, bone density and strength, heart health and blood sugar support, and there are a whole host of other things that magnesium is good for. And I wanted to try something natural as opposed to going to sleeping pills or anything like that, and see if this would work. So I've been sleeping better, so I think that might be one thing that it's helping with. My muscles have been feeling good. I think, this is a great thing. I actually take 2 of these per day, and with my regular routine of vitamins. Take 2 of these per day, and that gives me 250% of my daily value. So a 60 capsule bottle will last me about a month. And it's not a super expensive vitamin to add to your regimen. I prefer to buy vitamins separately as opposed to taking a multivitamin, because I pretty much have found that multivitamins are useless, and both my parents recently went through cancer treatment. They cannot take a multivitamin. They have to take their vitamins separately. So that's another reason I'm really a big advocate of taking your vitamins separately. Yeah, the NOBI Nutrition Magnesium Complex Premium supports muscle, bone, nerve health, and aids in enzyme function. All good things, really good ingredients. I'd say it's one of the top. It's top of the line right now. I'd give it a 5 out of 5. I had to rate it in stars, and yeah, it's something just really easy to add to your routine, your regimen, and it can help with your muscles and your heart and blood sugar and help regulate sleep. So don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, and I hope you like it. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.